So I eat keto, maybe even bordering on carnivore on a lot of days. So one of my goals is like no sugars and to keep the carbohydrates as low as possible, which pretty much rules out breading altogether, which is just carbs. But something like this, I think, is great. This is Porking Good, which is a funny name also. It's gluten-free and it's zero carbohydrates, and it pretty much functions just like breadcrumbs would. So if you want to like make a breaded chicken, or if you want to add breadcrumbs to your meatballs or to a meatloaf or mozzarella sticks, I mean, you name it, whatever normally has breading on it, which is full of carbohydrates, if you want to do the same thing without the carbohydrates, you can get something like this. These are essentially pork rinds, just ground all the way up into like a breadcrumb consistency. But the cool thing about this company is that they also add some of the seasonings right to the breadcrumbs. So this one is the Cajun style seasoning, so it has kind of a spicy Cajun style, but they also have Italian and other flavors, which just adds some more flavor to whatever you're making, like your meatballs or your breaded chicken tenders. It's now Cajun style chicken tenders, but it also comes in this 2-pack, and these are actually pretty big, so this is going to last a long time. So if you're trying to keep your carbohydrates down and you still want that kind of breadcrumb consistency for some of your recipes, this is what I use, and I would definitely recommend it.